I'm Lindsey Gregg, designer, tastemaker, and lover of fashion and function.
Surprise!
When tackling a home project or renovation, sometimes the planning can take weeks, months, or even years.
Okay. Don't forget your tools. All right. Thank you.
Now, for a few lucky homeowners, my team and I are kicking it into high gear to make homeowner dreams a beautiful reality.
Open your eyes.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Luckily, when it comes to your dream room, all I need is a day. This is Dream Room in a Day. Today we have a very special set of clients. It's my mom and dad. My parents are here today trying to pick out the perfect deck paint for a renovation project that my dad has been working on. But he's been working on it for a really long time, and my mom's getting a little bit frustrated. She wants him to either make it comfortable and nice for them to stay in or offload it. Dad thinks he's the expert, but really, we know that I am. So I'm gonna go see how I can help them out.
I'm Sandy Suggs.
And I'm her better half, Billy Suggs.
You can.
Lindsey is helping us decorate and design the decor items for this house that we have purchased in Wilmington, North Carolina.
Got it?
Surprise! What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? I
Well,
thought we were painting the porch.
We
this
are.
is interior paint. Well, you know how much I know.
No!
Let's go inside and get everything set straight.
Let's brush up on our colors while we're in there.
My dad is so busy and has so much on his plate and on his mind, he just grabbed the wrong paint, so I came to the rescue to save him a little bit of trouble and a lot of time.
I am very surprised that we ran into Lindsey at the paint store. I had been after her to help me out in this project, but she's been so busy in her design business that she just has not had time. So when she took it upon herself to meet us at the paint store, I was very glad to see her show up, because I am a general contractor, I'm a real estate guy, but I am not an interior exterior designer.
So we know how important it is to get the paint and the stain right, but it's also really important to have the right tools. This is the Bravo stainer, but Dad, you don't even have to worry about using this today because I have a paint crew on standby here to give you your dream room in a day. What do you say? How about that?
Sounds like a good day to go fishing.
Okay. All right, let's go then. All right.
All right.
I think my mom has a lot of feelings about this house. Number one, because she wasn't completely included in its purchase. I think Dad bought it as sort of a passion project for himself. In southeastern North Carolina, people love to spend time outdoors and entertain outdoors. So I thought, let's start with something small and easy. The deck has been improved with construction, but it still needs a fresh coat of stain. So let's just start there. It will be kind of non-committal for my mom. It will help my dad if he does decide to sell. It's a win-win situation to put some effort into the exterior right now. We're about to give Mom and Dad their dream deck in a day. Dad, you've done so much work to the inside of this house. Tell me what you've done lately to the exterior though.
Well, we have taken and up the old deck, put new 2x planking down here, and we've left it untreated so it'll dry out. And what I'd like to do is come in here and kind of pizzazz it up, put some sort of stain on it, and that's what I'm looking for you is make recommendations as to what colors I should paint it. I think it'll make it more appeasing, and it was a great place to come out in the mornings, have a cup of coffee and stuff. So
what I notice about the porch is that we have two different tones of wood,
right,
because of the new treated timber and the old original boards. So I think we have to thoughtfully choose what kind of deck stain we use. Probably needs to be a solid, something so that we can camouflage the new and the old and make it all blend together.
Right.
So we've got some great ideas. Gonna maybe pull out some of this pretty trim color to contrast with the paler kind of vanilla color of the house. And then I might have selected a little bit of furniture for you and Mom.
Right.
Make this a really relaxing and comfortable space for you
Right.
guys.
So I'm looking forward to them coming in here and see what you can do. And
I'm gonna get started.
all right.
Okay.
Great.
Now that Dad has made this back deck safe again and structurally sound, it needs to be finished off with the stain. It just looks a little unfinished as is at the moment. Hey Shannon!
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Doing just fine, thank
How's
you.
it going out here?
It's going good. Yeah.
Tell me about what you're up to right now. So you've switched gears from the railings to the decking floorboard.
Yes. So with this application, we're using the Bravo stain brush. It's a 5.5-inch brush, and also it's a super thick stock brush. So what this affords us an opportunity to do is to load the brush up, and it almost covers an entire decking board with one stroke, so I don't have to have that overlapping or stuff like that.
And then also notice you're not down crawling on your hands and knees. You're
Yes.
using the Sherlock pole.
Yes.
How does that impact the work here for you today?
It's night and day. It saves my back, it saves my knees. I'm not crawling around on this deck. So a lot of brushes don't have that option to where you can actually screw a rolling pole into the stock of the brush. But with this one, it does.
Thank you for taking the time to explain everything.
Yeah, no problem.
I will get out of the way so you can finish, but I can't wait to see the finished product.
Thank you so much. We're happy to be here.
We'll see you soon.
All right,
Thank
have a
you.
good one.
You too. I think the deck is a great space with a lot of potential. I love the cedar shakes on the outside of this house that make it kind of cottagey and feels like a cabin out in the woods. So I think that the deck just needs to enhance all of that. There's lots of room for lounging, for eating, for entertaining, and there's beautiful views of the property. And Furnitureland South had all of the outdoor selections that we were looking for. With my clients, I see that outdoor spaces are so popular because it allows for casual and comfortable entertaining and living. They really can be an extension of the interior of your home, so you really want the choices for an outdoor space to reflect your style on the inside of the house as well.
County tonight, but we have had a great day. We've been super busy. You can see the sun is going down behind me. I cannot wait to kick back with Mom and Dad, have a cold drink. I have a few more candles to light, just a few small details to look after, and then we can sit back and relax and enjoy this new back porch. Okay, Mom and Dad, do you remember how this porch looked earlier today before we got a hold of it? We've done a lot of work out here, done the staining, got some new furniture. So excited for you to check it out. I can't wait. Come on, come this way. Past the tiki torches.
All right, love the lights on the steps. Love the candles.
isn't
love the
that
drawers.
cool?
That's great. That's great.
Yum.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
I can live here. Oh, that's mine.
I absolutely love this deck. It's just what we were looking for.
This is our dream deck.
The new stain applied to this deck completely transformed it from looking like an old, worn out space to a beautiful, new, loved area of the house.
Can we just
Looks
live out
great.
here? Will that be all right?
You think you'll come visit more now, Mom?
Maybe. I love the wrought iron furniture.
Isn't it pretty?
It's just so elegant but casual. I really like that.
And the stain of the deck just brings, I mean, it's just like a new car, you know, kind of thing. So it looks
It
great.
sure looks a whole lot different than it did before.
I think it
doesn't
looks fresher now.
Oh, for
Well,
sure.
The deck just takes on a whole new effect from what it was before with the stain, the furniture and everything, the carpet.
Good.
It just,
Very inviting.
yeah.
But the stain itself, I think, made the actual structure look more finished.
Yes.
So then it was easier to bring in these beautiful pieces from Furnitureland South
Gotcha.
to like finish it all off and make it comfortable and functional for you guys.
I think this will be one of your daddy's favorite spots.
Yeah?
I'll enjoy my coffee here in the mornings, sitting
And
up here.
sparkling water in the evening.
Love it.
What I love the most about this transformation are all the options that my parents have for ease of use on the porch. They can sit out there to eat, they can sit out there to just relax. I can see them having friends over now. There's so much function and fashion when you're working in an outdoor space.
You guys, this was a real treat for me to get to do for you today. Thank you so much. What do you say we bring out the rest of the family?
What family?
Come on out, guys! What do y'all think? Isn't it pretty, Owen? Hi, bud.
I'd like to toast Lindsay for all her efforts and all the contractors that made this happen today.
How about a toast to a dream deck in a day?
Lindsay, I thank you. I just can't thank you enough for making this dream come true, especially for your daddy, as hard as he's worked on this house. Thank you so much, sweetie.
Yes, I'd like to thank her also. I just look forward to moving on through the house and let's do some more.
Amen.
I'm so excited to say this project is a dream room success.